My family love using this machine, especially my daughter, who basically finds it very convenient to use it. So she will come, have her glass, and just click on it, and it fills. And she just keeps saying that she loves the new water purifier. So yeah, that's great. And of course, like I can see, because she's so excited to use it, she is drinking more water also. So hopefully, it will make her better and more healthy. My name is Manish Kaushik. I'm living here in Bangalore with my family, with my wife and two kids. And I bought this RO almost a month ago. When I bought my previous water purifier, since the beginning I was not very satisfied. The problem was that water, there was an aftertaste in the water that I did not used to like. But as I invested some money, I continued it for almost 2 years. But then there were other problems also. It was breaking down frequently. So that's where I thought to basically look out for a new RO. I was little bit also interested in this alkaline water, and UC product was providing that alkaline water. So I wanted to see that how it is going to be, and that's what, once I have bought it and I have started drinking this water, this aftertaste that I was facing with my previous RO, that is not there. And also the water is little bit light to drink, so my water intake has automatically increased. Product was delivered after 2 days once I placed the order, and the installation was scheduled by urban company just the next day. So the person visited on the scheduled time, and then within an hour the installation was finished. So it was a hassle-free job. They did it immediately. It was nice and clean, the job the person did. I think the biggest thing that UC is able to do is provide 2 years, hassle-free warranty, where basically they are covering everything. No other brand in the market is doing that, and that's a very standout thing.